Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson where we're going to be discussing how to play the blues pattern on the left hand of the accordion. So far we've learned oompa patterns on the left hand of the accordion, oompa, variations on that, but the blues pattern is very distinct. There are a lot of blues patterns. Today I'm going to show you the fingering that's used on two patterns. One that sounds like this. The other one that sounds like this. Now again, these are backing. This is the bass work. This is what the upright bass player would do. The right hand would do something else, either padding or a solo. So let's dive right in. First the notes. C, E, G, A, G. Okay. Those are the notes. The fingers are different than our oompa pattern. First, our middle finger's on the C. And the G, the E, is right above the C. It's that kind of motion. So with our middle finger, we hit the C. With our fourth finger, we hit the G. With our pointing finger, we hit the G. And then the A is right above the F. And then G with our second finger. So it goes like this. Oh. Okay. And then we switch to the F. That's a certain pattern. Back to C. Again, always with our middle finger on that root note. That's the fingering. The other bass pattern, the one that sounds like this, is a little bit more complicated, and I suggest you only do it once you've mastered that first. Here's how that one goes. Same fingering for the first four notes. But then we use our pinky over here on the B flat. And then back to the A, G, E, G. Again, we switch to the F. That's the fingering. I suggest you practice it slowly, slowly. Look at my other videos on how I learn it. I learn it an incorrect way and I double up the bass. I try to do the... I suggest sticking to the flat bass, the single notes, as opposed to the doubles. Take it slowly. Leave your right hand out of it. All you're trying to do is master the left hand. Once that's mastered, start introducing very, very simple padded chords or notes. So the same ones that I'm playing on my left hand. C, F, C, G, F. if you make a mistake like I did, then you start over again and you try and break down to see exactly where you made the mistake and what caused it. And once you find that out, step back a bit, perfect it, and move forward. I hope this helps. Again, just a different kind of rhythm than our usual oompa rhythm and variations on the oompa rhythm. It's an intermediate technique. I wouldn't start off playing the accordion with this technique, but I hope you find it useful wherever you are in your playing. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, check out accordionlove.com for more lessons, sheet music, for all the songs that I teach on this channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Enjoy. G.